Our ORON filter is the result of an innovative design for the precision filtration required by the agricultural and industrial sectors. This filter is made with high-quality components designed to adapt the filtration to any obstruction situation. It is composed of a first impure water chamber that performs the first screening of the coarsest sediments and residues. The body is composed of a stainless steel filter mesh with an inner and outer metal protector, a cleaning collector, nozzles, and a pre-filter grid. In the upper or drainage chamber, we find an adjustable turbine that allows us to adapt the suction to different working pressures. Dirt larger than the filtration grade is retained in the inner part of the mesh, and the filtered water comes out in optimal conditions for use. The filtering process begins at the bottom of the filter, with dirty water entering at high pressure through the mesh sieve. In this phase, dirt particles are trapped in the filter net, and clean water makes its way to the outlet. As dirt accumulates in the inner part of the mesh, a depression is generated between the inlet and outlet of the filter. From a stipulated pressure difference, the filter cleaning cycle starts automatically. It lasts between 20 and 30 seconds and can be adjusted depending on the type of water and dirt in the filter. In the upper or drainage chamber, the turbine begins self-cleaning with the opening of the valve. Suction is generated through the nozzles and the circular movement of the turbine. Once the cleaning cycle is finished and the pressure differential is recovered, the filter remains in the initial position waiting to perform another cycle. Our ORON equipment ensures high-quality technological filtration, optimizing the performance and durability of your irrigation system, guaranteeing a constant flow of clean water without interruptions. ORON is a guarantee, quality, and trust.